called him. So y'all see, I have a garden out there as well on the side. And then, so the hack I gave y'all is we put bird seed mostly every day, fresh bird seed out there for the birds. And the squirrels will come on the balcony and go to town and eat all the bird seed, or they'll ravish my vegetable garden. Yeah, he ain't do that today. Because we got cayenne pepper up there. Y'all, squirrels, that's a hack. Squirrels can't stand the heat. But it does not affect birds in any way. Because they can't taste it. So sprinkle a little cayenne pepper up there for them fuckers. He moved right on. He ain't even, you seen in the video, he looked up and he was going to jump up there. But we know that cayenne pepper is very strong. And he probably smelled it. Right, baby? He gone now. He left on his own. So, fucker, scavenger. I wouldn't mind if he didn't ravish my stuff and eat all the bird seed. We don't do squirrels. Bye.